Thokozani guys, this is Kokotabla Manzi in Zizwaga Matebula. In topic yanamuhla guys, it's called Amaphupho, dreams. Okay, namhla guys ngifuna ukukhuluma about the importance of your dreams. Maphupho are very, very important. Coco, why do you say this? Why do I say this? Okay, because pillar in a spiritual world guys, and yonke into leyendakalako ephupheni lakho iyendakala in real life. Why do I say this? Okay, ngisho lokhu ngoba ungaphupha kubona something lekungena phakathi esiswini, right? Nayingena phakathi esiswini, and then lapho ephupheni, like you can feel good, no man, like lento lena i-real. Ngiyaphupha mara lento le iyangena, like seriously iyangena phakathi wami. So maphupho are that important guys. Ungathathi things for granted. Ungaphuphi in be like, yeah, liphupho akusiliphupho. Liphupho ngila uNkulunkulu a-communicate nathi. Liphupho ngila tinto tendakala khona. Let me say la tindlula khona so that they become real in the physical realm. You understand? So maphupho are dangerous. That's why na umuntu fanele uhlale usemthandazweni. Na umuntu, you need to pray, you need to fast. Ngiyakubona kuyesondweni nowadays, like I feel like we fashion in everything. It's about namhla ngigqoka kudlula sibanibanyana, or namhla nami ngifuna bangibona or whatever. But into le ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi like kulesikhathi lesiphila kuso guys, like you don't need a pastor to grow spiritually. Into leyidingako empilweni yakho guys, you need Jesus. I understand? You need Jesus. You need to have a relationship with your Father in heaven. Because lama populace now are not just dreams. Ngila tinto tethu tibophiwa khona. Ngila tinto tethu tikhumuliwa khona. Tinto ticala tiyendakala. Tinto tiyavuleka. Tinto tiyavalwa. Ngila ubhuda ushaywa stroke or whatever akushaya, and then uvuka ekuseni umhlathi wakho ujikile and everything, or uvuka amehlo avalekile because you've seen some things. Like maphupho are dangerous guys, and maphupho tinto leti very important. Maphupho, like you should be angry if you wake up and you don't remember your dream. Like you should be very angry, cause ngila ukhuluma na uNkulunkulu, ngila ukhuluma with your guides, with your angels, madlot akho, ngila bakupha khona tinto, ngila bakubathisa amandla, ngila bayenza tinto khona tendakale, ngila bakutshela khona ukuthi hey kusasa be careful of that car. Ngila bakutshela khona ukuthi hey ungagibeli taxi leyo cause you're gonna get an accident. Ngila bakutshela khona ukuthi stay home, like hlala ungayindzawo namuhla, you won't go to work cause nento lebili toyendakalako. So if awakhumbuli maphupho akho, like akuse right, akukho right guys, akukho right, cause uyawanida, trust me, you need your dreams. So maphupho tinto letinye nje, it's a channel la nkulunkulu. Ngiyakubona lokunetinto letibi and everything, but unkulunkulu naye akhuluma natsi khona. So you need to fight for your dreams, you need to fight for your spiritual life. Ungameli pastor, ungameli sangoma, ungameli inyanga. Work on yourself. Kapa, futha. If awadi kutsi kunikiswani, hambo hlola, hambo wapha kutsi what's happening, why maphupho akaenda so and so. Hambo thola tinto tokutsi ufuthe, kuze tinto tikhone tivuleke, kuze sinyama sisuke and everything. Guys, maphupho are important, shame, like are important. Maphupho are very, very important. So ungahlali nawubhudza tinto letibi, pray about it, pray, fast, phahla, cela labantu labadzala bakusite, cela nkulunkulu akusite, bacele. Like isiphila kulomnye umhlaba now guys, and umhlaba lesiphila kuwo, like wonke umuntu ufanele atimele ngetinyawo takhe. So ungabi ne-excuse yokuthi gogo yebo ngibhudza tinto letibi and nani, but angazi ukuthi kufanele ngente njani. Awakho kufanele uyente njani? No. Phahla. If it phahla still awuni next, go and consult. Go and consult. Go get cleansed. Thola leso sifutho, gaba. Thokozani guys, this is Coco Manzi in Zizaga Matebula. Thank you guys for watching. Thokozani.